Back in February when we had a couple of warmer days, I came out and took cuttings off of this rosemary. This is just one plant, and it's probably 5 years old, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful plant. Been doing so well here for many, many years. And I came out and took some cuttings, and at the time the new growth was not going so much, so you just had just a hint of new growth, and then you had this right in here. It's not really hardwood, it's not new wood, it's just kind of in between wood. I don't know what the real name is for it, but that's kind of where I would make my cuttings. To get, like on this one here, I would come down to about here, because this is a bunch of that in between. It hasn't turned brown, like real dark brown and woody, but it's not new. So I usually find that when I do that, I get my best cuttings taking root. So now let's show you how we did back from February 13th. I took this little alcohol container, cut the top off, put water in it, and put my little seedlings in. And as you can see from February 13th, look at the roots that have grown. So it's time to see how many of these I can get to transfer over to soil. Taking some of that potting mix I show you I make up, and I got 5 containers here. Don't know how many I need, but we'll see how far these go. Okay, these little pots have a little piece of paper towel on the bottom. Wow, look at that. One. Hey, that one hasn't even started. Well, just a little tiny sliver there on the bottom. Neither has that one. Yet this one looks great. If it's too tall for my pot, I just put them in sideways. Look at that one. Now see, that's probably, there's the best of the litter right there. So. It's not really important to me whether they stand up straight. They're going to move around where they want to be anyway. What's important is I get all those new roots covered. These guys here that didn't take are not dead. They're still nice and green. So we're going to keep them under the lights. We'll give them some fresh water. Now these guys need some water. I don't really worry about overwatering them to start with. This first watering, because they've come out of being in water. So I tend to give them a whole lot of water and then slowly let them dry down to give those roots a little additional time to learn how to be dirt roots instead of water roots. So that's all there is to it, and with a little luck out of these 4, 3 of them will catch, and I'll have 3 brand new rosemary plants. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching. If you like these, please subscribe. Always a pleasure to try and help people. Any comments would be great.